Well, search and rescue efforts are underway after that explosion at a Texas fertilizer plant. Authorities still aren't sure how many people were killed in Wednesday night's blast in the city of West. Dozens are still missing and feared dead, including an off-duty firefighter who rushed to help put out the blaze. As many as 15 have been confirmed dead and more than 160 injured. Entire communities were leveled and burned, leaving many homeless. Hundreds packed a church in West for a non-denominational service where they prayed for the victims.
Our thoughts and prayers is what we need. We need everybody to pray. I mean, that's the only thing that's going to save us right now.
The cause of the fire is still under investigation.